There are normal adventure motorcycles, and then there are adventure motorcycles that are built for people who want to genuinely disappear for a few days. So this is a Honda Transalp 750. And it's not just a stock Transalp though. This is what happens when practicality meets proper adventure touring. Now at its core, the Transalp is already a very capable machine. It's powered by a 755cc parallel twin engine, producing around 90 horsepower and 75 kilonewtons of force. It sits in that sweet spot where it's manageable enough for everyday use or traffic, but it can also handle some very serious off-road detours or highway mile munching as well. And while the stock motorcycle is already very impressive, the right set of accessories can completely transform how usable it becomes. And that is exactly what has happened in the case of this Transalp 750. Now let's talk about protection. This bike gets Hepco and Becker crash guards. Now these are made from high quality steel tubing and they come with a durable powder coated finish. Now these will help to protect the critical areas of your motorcycles in the event of a fall or a low speed impact. Now moving lower, we have a bash plate from Hepco and Becker as well. Now this right here is constructed from heavy duty aluminum. So it will protect your engine casing and your underbelly from any type of rock, debris or any rough terrain impact whatsoever. Now up front we have a headlamp grill. It is a simple but extremely useful accessory because adventure touring means stones, debris and unpredictable road conditions, and replacing a damaged headlamp assembly is far more painful than installing preventive protection. Now moving on to the rear section of the motorcycle, we've got top rack and saddle stays from Hepco and Becker. Now these are perfect for mounting your top boxes or your duffel bags or your tail bags or any kind of luggage that you might need to carry for a long trip. Now we've also got a custom seat and a visor. They're from an Italian brand called Isotta, and these are going to make your long distance touring much more easier and comfortable. Now for all your navigation needs and whatnot, we have the Alien Rider CarPlay system installed. And also one other accessory that I have to mention here are these ram mount double take mirrors. Now if you are an off-roader or a proper adventure tourer, this is one accessory that you'll definitely appreciate. Next up, we have the visibility. Now this bike is equipped with the Baja design Squadron Pro fog lamps. Now we've already made a very detailed video about these lights and why they're so important. We'll add a link somewhere in the video. Make sure you guys watch it for the full breakdown. Now what makes this build very interesting is that everything here does solve a real world problem. And even with all this hoard of accessories, the Transalp still retains what makes it special. So what's the first place you'd take this fully built Transalp? Let me know in the comments and I will see you in the next ride.